What's up, YouTube? It's your girl HiiEishh back again with another video. You already know what's going on if you read the title of this video, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. What I use to grease my scalp whenever I feel like my scalp is starting to get dry and starting to, get flaky and all that nonsense. Right now, this is the product that I'm using. I won't say that I'm a fan necessarily. I have been using it for a while, but I'm kind of hot and cold with it right now. Like, I'm not really sure if I like it, but I'm still using it, so I must not like it. So I'm gonna take my hair and I'm gonna start from the back, so I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see what I'm doing. So how it's already naturally parted, I'm just gonna take some grease on one finger and I'm gonna take it across. all done. So yeah, whenever I wear braids, I like to grease my scalp at least, if not every other day, every 2 days. My scalp gets dry fairly quickly, so I try to aim for every other day. If you do use a grease like this, you definitely have to work it in a little more than your standard like hair oil, because you can just, you know, pop that in and just massage it a little bit just to make sure it is distributed. I don't really like to do too much. I'm a minimalist. I only really stress your night care, which I would say either go the route of putting them in a bun, and then just throwing a scarf on. But if you do that and you have curly ends, just know that your ends are gonna start to straighten out, unless you leave like the curly ends out so that they don't. I know how to do that. Yeah, so these have been up for going on 3 weeks. I'm definitely about ready to take them out and figure out my next hairstyle. If you are a hair vendor and you're watching this, go ahead and check my description box, get my business email address, and hit me up because I'm looking for new styles to try. And if you want to get your hair advertised, this is the time to do so. Any small businesses, hit me up. Let's work before there's tax on that, you know what I mean? But anyways, I hope that you guys liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave some comments below of other suggestions you might have on upkeep with your braids, or what you thought about my video. Whatever you want to do, just make sure you come back next time.